All right. So today I'm gonna switch around the meeting look a little bit.
Okay.
So first, I'm obviously I'm just gonna review what we're going over for this session. So we're gonna work on the programming project.
Mhm.
Then if we have time, we'll work on parameters and then good coding techniques. But first, we're gonna prioritize the programming project. Does that sound good?
No problem. No problem.
Excellent. So share your screen and let's take a look at your code.
All right. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yeah, it's basically the same stuff from yesterday because I
Hmm.
didn't really change anything. But yeah, so it's not able to find these symbols, and I think it's a few like uh what do you call these? Um,
Check style errors.
yeah, check stylers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's scroll up. So the error we have is at line 146 and 147.
Yes.
Mm. Okay, go to the method where you call, I mean, not the method, go to where you call the homework average method.
Oh, where is it? Oh, okay.
Yeah, where you call it, not the actual method, but where you call the method.
It's right here. I mean, I think they call it for me, but I don't. Wait, does this rely? I mean, does this what did I say?
Okay.
Does this like correlate to what's down here? Like the homework average is down here, or it doesn't?
It's supposed to.
Okay.
Okay, so wait, sorry, let's see. This is weird. So you said down there in your main calculator, you said homework average times homework, correct?
Homework average times homework. Yes, I believe. Let me look at it. Yes. Yes.
No, that's just puzzling. That should work. Let me see. Um,
Is it because it's not like there's nothing right here? Is that the reason why?
there's nothing right
Uh,
where?
oh, between line 67 to 75, it's not declared right here for the homework grades. You see where it says how many homework grades to be entered?
Well, you already do say you already have that though. You say int count is equal to int.next int. So
Oh, okay.
you already know how many. That's already declared. Uh,
Okay.
okay.
Let me
So
see.
okay. So our problem's at line 73. Take a look at what the error is saying for line 73. I need some hand sanitizer.
Okay. It's saying it cannot find symbol for grade.
For which one? For grade or for sum?
For grade.
Okay. Now, let's look at grade then. In the homework average, not in the test average. Okay. We have a double grade is equal to n dot next double. Okay, let me see. Give me a moment. All right. here's what we can do. Instead of okay, that should work, but for some reason it's not. So copy the I want you on line 71, copy in.next double. And then
Okay.
go to line 73. I want you to go to the end of line 73. And then I want you to backspace until you get to the equals. Or yeah, no, click space. And then just paste in the in.next double. Now just delete line 71. Is line 73 even formed? The problem still showing up?
Is it? Oh, no, I don't think so.
Okay, wait. Let's just go back up
For
again.
line 73.
Okay, just go back up again real quickly. I just want to check something. So,
I don't know what's wrong with this because this is something they did.
okay, so here's a problem. You're not actually you. This is what we need to do now. Copy and paste line 73 and put it at line 71 actually. And then at line 73, what we need to do now. So now delete line 73. Now, do you know why they said return homework average?
Uh, you can tell me. I don't remember.
Okay. Well, remember, when we're saying, what do you think the variable homework average means?
Just our average homework grade, like our average homework grade.
Exactly. Yeah, that's exactly correct. Now, when you're looking at this method, do you see one variable that says homework average?
No.
Exactly. So how do you so essentially what we've been doing this entire time and why we've been getting these errors, at least for this method, is that we were just summing all of the homework grades together, except we were never taking its average. Does that make sense?
Right.
So what you got to do now is you need to declare a variable called homework average.
Oh, okay.
And then what do you think you should set it equal to?
In that next double.
What?
In that next double.
No, why do you want to take in another homework into that variable? Remember, we are trying to find the average. How do you get an average of 5 values?
Oh, don't you take the sum and the homework? Like, yeah, the sum and the
Yeah,
count.
yeah,
Yeah.
you sum it all up and then you divide it by the count. So, yeah, exactly. There you go. That's good, Kareem.
Okay. Yeah, I remember that too. Do I put a
Don't forget your
semicolon in?
semicolon. Don't forget
Okay.
your semicolon. Yeah. Now let's try it again. Let's see if the error at line 75 is still going to come back. Hopefully it doesn't, but we have to see.
You know what? Okay, I think I understand now. Okay. Yeah. Ew.
Is it still there?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I change it to this, like spelling it all the way out,
Oh
like
yeah,
how they
you need
got it
to
in
spell it
originally?
out. It can't be just homework AVG. Remember, variables they have to be the exact same. You can't just abbreviate them if they're not abbreviated in other areas. Does that make sense?
Right.
And
Yes.
so that's also why, Kareem, because I think what I've noticed with your coding, and this isn't a bad thing, you're not having any fundamental issues with your coding, so that's good. But one of the things I've been noticing the past couple of weeks is that sometimes your okay, now don't change that. Stop changing stuff.
Oh,
um,
don't you? Oh, okay.
don't change that. Remember, just put it. Yeah, put it back. let's slow down. Let's just pump the brakes for just a quick second, okay?
Okay. Yeah, I think I'd be confused of what I need to change and what I need to just keep the
Well,
same.
no. Here's a big problem I'm finding in your code is that your variables don't always match up, and sometimes you get confused between different variables. Now, scroll all the way up. I want you to scroll all the way up. Remember when I was telling you not to? So at line 146, you know why I told you not to change it to homework average spelled out?
Right.
No, well, tell me why.
Well, because then the code will confuse itself and it'll just keep going. Like it'll keep trying to like read what I already have. Does that make sense? Like yeah, like the coding will get confused, like because I changed it and it's something different declared. If that makes sense.
Exactly. Yeah, no, I got what I got your point. Yeah, no. So the reason I told you that is because we called a homework method, and then we decided to put whatever values we got from that method into a variable called homework avg. Okay? So that's why I told you don't delete that, don't change that. Because what we have to realize is that this method is a small compartment of our entire picture. Does that make sense? So
Right.
it's very similar to a component of a machine, really, if that makes sense. So you have this homework component that gets your homework average. You have a test component that gets your test average. Now, the parts of that component, they are specific for that method. If you try to take those parts out of that method, it's not going to work because those parts are specifically for that method. That's where we get into the discussion of scopes that we had yesterday. That so remember, let's scroll back up. I want you to go to the homework method again. Okay. So right now we're at the homework method. If for some reason we wanted to use count outside of this method, then that count wouldn't work because that count is only being considered in the homework method. Scroll down to the test average method. You have it right there. Now let's look right here. You have another count there. Now, Kareem, tell me this. Why do you think the count will work this time, even though you have two variables called count?
Because it's declared. It's declared in the for loop. Is it declared in the for? No, it's not declared in the for loop. Okay, I don't know.
Okay, well, look, you have to remember the that the count for the test is being declared inside of the test method. Okay, if you declare a variable within a method, it will only it will own its definition will only be considered for the duration of that method. Okay,
Okay.
do I need to simplify it?
Oh yeah, you can.
Okay, um, it's a good way to put it. Trying to think of like a good metaphor. Let's think. Hmm.
Well, you know what? I think I know what you mean. So basically, what is in a certain method is only in that method, as in it's not going to be um spread out throughout the whole entire code. It is only for that specific method.
Yes.
That
Well, yeah, no, you got it. So, but particularly the meaning of it, or like whatever value is being contained in it, you can compare it to semantics. Do you know what semantics are, Kareem?
no.
Okay. Really, what semantics are, or is the meaning of a word. I could say, for example, what's a word that has like dual connotation? Um, okay, so let's say, for example, uh, oh man, can't think of one for some reason. Uh, okay, so let's say we're calling something criminal, and let's just say in this context that something. So, like I was saying, oh, that bike is criminal. I don't know why. It's just let's just go with it for now. In this context, I'm saying that the word criminal is good. Like, oh, it's a really awesome bike. Okay. Um,
Right.
but in a separate situation, I could be like, oh no, this man is a criminal. He just stole a bike from a store. Okay. In that context, criminal is a bad thing. Does that make
Right.
sense?
Yeah.
That's basically what semantics is. It is the ability to um, differ the meaning of a word in various situations. And how I want you to think about it in terms of the code is that the count in the homework method has a different meaning than the count in the test method. What do you think the difference in meaning is?
Um, the count in the test versus the count in the homework, like as in the count is a different count for the test average, and then there's a different count for a homework average.
Yeah, exactly. But what is the difference in their definition? Like what differs both of them? Remember, both of these they have an in.next int, right? So they both take in numbers. They both take in integers, in fact. They are very similar. So what sets them apart?
I guess what the count is used for, like what it's
Exactly.
used for.
What they
Yeah.
are counting. One of them is counting the number of tests. You could have taken two tests, but then had 100 homework assignments. That's what's happening
Right.
in, like, for example, I'm taking linear algebra. We only have four tests throughout our entire semester, but I could have sworn we've already had 20 or more homework assignments, likely, or probably more than that. I don't remember, frankly.
Okay.
Um,
Got you.
so you're counting different things with both counts. Now, why are we able to count different things with both of them, even though they have the same name?
Because it's the same word, but it's like a different context.
Exactly. But what is the context though? What defines the context?
Whatever is subjected to. So, like for an example, like this count is subjected to the test grade. It's only dealing with the number or the count of
Exactly.
test grades versus the other
Now,
one is yeah.
that's beautiful. Thank you, Corinne. That's excellent. Now, what I want you to realize though is that context in this situation is what the method is, okay? So your method is going to be your context. So what's the context for count in the test method?
Test grade.
Exactly, it's going to be the number of test grades you count, not the actual number, not the actual grade of the test. Remind you,
Right.
but the actual number of tests. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm. I hope that clarifies. If it doesn't, we'll come back to it. That'll be fine. Let's scroll up a little bit. Let's go to the homework average. Some. Okay, what was the issue they were having? Okay, wait. You have a double sum is equal to zero.
Yeah, it was saying that it couldn't find the symbol, and it was pointing. It was pointing. It wasn't pointing to this line anymore. It was pointing to where we tried to calculate the grade average. That's where it had a problem at. And then that's when I was trying to change it, but I don't like you said it doesn't matter.
Okay.
I did so.
Okay. All right. So go down to 146, 147, the error. Like
Oh,
what the
okay.
error is. Yeah, I want to see the error.
Yes. Cannot find.
Cannot find the symbol. Huh. Let me see something.
Yeah, that's literally the only problem that's having. Well, you know what? Is it because it's AVG? I typed it as AVG for the grade average versus in the homework method, I have it typed all the way out.
Now, remember what we said though. A variable only retains its meaning with if it's declared. Okay, if a variable is declared within a method, it only retains its meaning during that method. Unless you're in the main method, then it'll retain its meaning throughout.
Right, right, right. But at the same time, too, like, wouldn't it be like if I have, okay, so for an example, right, even though like homework average spelled all the way out is just correlating to that specific method, if I come down here and I type in homework AVG, wouldn't it be confused and not know that I'm referring to the one that I already have in the other method?
Okay, well, scroll up all the way up.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm having you scroll so much, but
Oh
like,
man, it's fine, man.
okay. See line 23. Look
Yes.
at line 23. It says double homework average equals get homework average. Now, because of line 23, we can't change it to homework average. Okay? Because what is supposed to happen is it's supposed to return. So it's supposed to return homework average, except average is spelled out to the method homework get homework avg, the method. And then that value that's stored in that method is supposed to go into the variable homework avg, which is um, the variable.
Right.
Okay, so okay. Mhm. Go to the method where you calculate the grade average. Okay, you have homework AVG times homework. You have test AVG times test. You have midterm exam times midterm. You have final exam plus. Okay, try put that all in one line instead of two lines. Just try it.
Okay. Make sure okay.
Yeah. It may be finicky with that. I'm not sure. Let's see. Um, try it again. That may not be the issue though.
Yeah, that's not the issue.
Okay. Cannot find symbol. Can you do me a favor? Can you copy and paste all of this into an IDE?
Yes.
Yeah, I
Okay.
apologize. It'll take some time, but I think that'll help us a bit more because all this scrolling back and forth is no, not the error. I mean the entire code that you.
Okay. Yeah, I have it. Yeah.
Oh, you already have it in an IDE?
Yes, I have Eclipse. Yeah, I have Eclipse.
Okay, put it into Eclipse, or unless it's already in there.
Okay.
A Fall Guys, nice.
Oh yeah.
I've been wanting to play that
It's
for
not
a
letting me.
while.
Okay, there we go. All right. So let me go to. I'm doing the wrong thing. Okay. Let me pull it up.
Oh, you had it like right there. Okay, whatever. That's fine.
You know what? This is good because this is my first time like putting code into Eclipse because I usually download my report and then I copy and paste from there.
Well, see, yeah, no, I used to do that too. My only issue with that is that it makes troubleshooting 10 times more difficult to do it on code check because what Eclipse allows you to do, it allows you to see which variables, like it
Hmm.
shows you where your errors are while you're coding so that you can just fix them on the spot. Code check doesn't do that for you. So really you're just sitting there for hours, or at least for us, for like almost half an hour, excluding the hour yesterday just trying to
Right,
figure this out, you know? And I really don't think we just need to be taking that much time to do that. So if
right,
we can just
right,
get the
right.
code in there, that would be nice.
Okay, so okay, so, let me
You're
copy.
probably gonna want to start a new. You're probably gonna want to create a new class
Okay, okay. Uh,
and just
uh,
call it Programming Project 3. You can't have spaces. You can use
oh,
underscores if you want to, but you can't have spaces.
there
Wait, stop. Actually, no, keep going. Yeah, just click finish.
okay.
Okay, now copy and paste your entire line of code in there.
I copy and paste it on line one or
Just copy and paste the entire thing.
okay,
And just put it. Don't put it at line one. Put it under your public class.
okay. No.
No, no, you need everything, everything, everything
Oh
from the
yeah.
notepad. You need everything from the notepad, and then you're just gonna copy and paste it into um the IDE.
Okay.
Now, what I do want you to do though, scroll up. You're gonna want to take out line 13. Okay.
All right.
Now, okay, hover over line 2. What's the problem? Displace constructor. Oh yeah, no. Copy and paste line 2. Copy and paste it. And then don't paste it at line 1. Paste it at um. What could we put that actually? Click enter and then paste it there. Yeah, and then just take it out from there. Okay. Hover over line the X in line 1. Why does it have that?
Yeah, it says must declare a named package because this compilation unit is associated to the named module project.
Okay, I see. Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Go to you see that left panel?
Uh,
Yeah, just create a new package. Oh, no, 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 not that. Click cancel. Just left click. Not there.
right
Down.
here.
Okay, yeah, no, no, you can do that too. That
Oh,
works.
okay.
You really put a new Java package? I don't know if that makes sense. Here, just try it out.
Just name it programming project.
Yeah, just call it that for now. Let's try that out. And then just try to drag the programming project.java and put it in there into the package. Nope. You want to drag it. It's like a folder. Just drag the programming project 3.java and then just put it into programming project 3, the package.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Okay. Um, hopefully that works. Okay,
Okay,
that
bet.
works. That was unnecessary, I think, but that doesn't matter. Okay, hover over line 13. I wonder why that is there. The X in line 13. So, yeah. So you see where the X is?
Yes.
You're going to notice that if you have errors in your code, you're going to typically have an X or some sort of exclamation point there, which is showing
Mm.
you where the I don't think an exclamation point. Typically an X, it'll either be red or it'll be like a blue X with a white background. Just hover over it to see what your error is. So just hover over it. Okay, just delete that bracket then. Okay. Now let's scroll down. Okay. Now line 32. Hover over calculate grade average. Yes. Okay. Hover over calculate grade average.
Oh, wow. Okay, it says quick fix right here. Did I click this?
Okay, wait. Let's stop for a second. Do you have a method called get grade average? Check.
Uh,
Scroll down. Because if it's called that, that's just going to be a little annoying. Then we were just doing all this.
oh no, I don't have it.
Okay, wait. Stop for a second. You sure? Wait. Go down. Go down. Could have sworn it said calculate grade average there somewhere.
Oh yeah.
It's get grade average. Okay, okay. So for some reason it's get. I could have sworn it said calculate at one point. I think, okay, that's fine. Let's go hover up and then just, excuse me, scroll up and then just hover over the get. Yeah, change to get.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, now 152.
Not be resolved to cannot be resolved to a variable.
Okay, don't change it to get to homework average yet. Wait, that may be our issue. Scroll up. Yeah, scroll to that area where we were declaring all the variables in the main method.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, well, we already have get homework average, get test average, get midterm exam grade, and get final exam grade. So what is the issue? That that should still work. Hmm, it's puzzling. Okay, let's think. What are you thinking right now, Kareem?
um, kind of puzzled by this because it says good homework. I declared this stuff, so
Okay,
um,
let's um. So you have get homework average. Let's see. Okay, give me a sec.
okay,
Okay. Oh man, I just realized the issue we're having.
what happened?
Kareem, which method are we in? Are we in the main method or are we in one of those subcategory methods?
Oh, we in the subcategory method.
Exactly. Now, what did I tell you about variables?
That they are only subjected to their specific method, right?
Yeah.
Is that what you said? Or you said something else?
Okay, wait. I mean, that should still work though. That's kind of weird still. Weird. Um, that yeah, no, that should still work. Huh. That is weird. Because sorry, I should probably if I confused something, I apologize because I think I may have confused you. Now,
Oh, it's no problem.
well, so what we have, so where we had those variables where we said like double homework average equals get homework average. So that was in the main method. So those variables, they should last, their scope is for the entire line of code because they're in the main method.
Right.
Wherever it says public static void main, that's the main method. Now, that should still work there. You know what? Let's experiment with this. I just want to see if this works. Hover over it and just turn it into get homework average. Just change every single one, and then we'll go back and try fix it later. Okay?
All right. Oh, okay. And then for the midterm, it just says create local variable midterm exam.
We'll click that. Let's see what we get. Okay. So that's what they want. They shouldn't need that though. Just keep it for now. Let's see what we. I just
And then
want
it says
to.
the same thing.
Okay. Now after midterm exam, just say equal like space equals space get midterm whatever the whatever the method's called.
What is it the get thing? The get
Yeah.
midterm exam? Sure, okay, get midterm exam grade.
Yes. You want to copy and paste that and then just put it there at midterm and then take and then copy and paste the and just do the exact same thing for final exam.
Yeah, this does make it a lot easier to like figure out the errors on here.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, just delete that. Now run the program.
What up?
There is a you see that green button, the play button, green button with the
Oh,
plus.
they're having
Okay,
problems with this.
those. Okay. Um, what we can do. Okay, go in front of them. Don't delete them. Don't delete them. Go to line 25. Just do a
Mhm.
slash slash in front of line 25. In front. Yes. And do that the exact same thing for 26, 28, and 30. You know what we did right there?
No.
We commented it out.
Oh, okay.
That's how you make comments. You remember doing that earlier in the semester?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. That's how you do comments.
And it's saying is never closed. What does it mean?
We can deal with that a little bit later. Uh,
Okay.
we should be fine. Yeah, just run the program. Okay. Now, why does it start with that? Okay, just try it. Can you type?
Like just type anything?
Yeah, just type it. Just type in a grade. Say like 85,
Oh yeah, number grade, number grade.
and click enter. Then put in your final exam grade. Okay. Now there's a problem with our homework grade. Probably with our homework method. Okay. In the homework method, scroll a little bit. in the homework method.
Wait, where is it?
There,
Oh,
just yeah, right there. Um, okay, hover over line 62, or the in line 62.
hmm.
It wants us to in is never closed. Okay, don't click any of those. Okay. There was something called terminating a scanner, okay? Or closing a scanner.
Mhm.
I'm gonna share my screen, okay?
Okay.
Okay, can you see my screen?
No.
Okay, that no? How about now?
No.
Okay, that is strange. I'm clicking share. Oh, there's network connectivity issues. Okay, now can you see it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. What I want you to look at in particular, let me annotate. Okay. What I want you to look at in particular is where it says scan dot close. Right there. Now, what that allows you to do is it allows you so you have so in this situation, pretend this is in, okay? The scanner.
Hmm.
Okay, so okay, well let me be a bit more specific. So this is the variable scan, okay? Now that works for a scanner, okay? It's so it allows you to like take values in and it puts it into the scan variable. Now, after you're done with the scanner, you need to close it, okay? Because we don't want it anymore. So that's why you're
Oh,
going to
scan
say,
dot close.
yeah, no, you want to close it. That's why you say scan dot close and then use the parentheses and then semicolon.
Right, right, right. So we do that for what we have in my code that says scanner in, we would say in dot close
We would say in dot close,
later along.
parentheses, yeah, and then the semicolon. Yeah.
Okay.
So share your screen. Let's take a look at that.
Oh, understood. Okay. So what I say like right here.
Um, yeah. Oh wait. Wait. No. 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 You want to do that at the end. So maybe like go to line 77 or yeah, go to line 77 at the end. Click enter. Just say in dot close and try it out.
Okay, so run it again.
Mm-hmm. Hey, could you click hide where it says GSU meetings?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. That makes okay, still saying it is never closed. It's still saying that.
Okay.
Would that be bad if we tried to? Oh yeah, it's saying that for this too. Okay. You know
Okay.
what?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you see, like how they have it right here. They have it after this double, because this was a part of the code that was um you know how it's already code
Yeah,
there? Yeah.
that they already included.
Okay, so let me try that. So they did it after.
Well, I think I mean you could try it after, that's for sure. That
Yeah.
that could work.
Okay, they did it after the.
I mean, I think that's what we did too, though. We did it after.
Yeah, we. Yeah, I don't. Okay, let me see.
Yeah, just copy and paste it and put it. Um, why are you putting it there?
Oh, I thought I was gonna go there. Okay.
Uh,
Well,
you could. What you could do is go to end of line 73. Click enter, and then just paste it there. Let's just try it out, and then run the program. See if it fixes itself. Okay. Well, I think we don't have that error anymore. It seems like we mainly just have scanner errors. So let's see.
oh, wait,
Yeah,
that's it.
so let's close the scanners for all of them. So wherever you find the last moment where you need a scanner, and typically uh you know that you're using a scanner when you're saying in dot, like next int or next something. So you don't want to do it there. You don't scroll down. Remember, because you use it in the for loop where you say in dot next double. So you want to close it. So you want to go to line 98. Well, that would be closing every single. Did you put in the homework sum? Scroll up just a little bit. Okay, you put it in there. For the okay, can you go to the oh wait no, did test average do that? Go to test average. Scroll down just a little bit. Where did they put their in dot close? Or was that
They
for
didn't.
final?
That was her final.
Okay. Just put your in dot close at line 99. That's fine. My concern is now it's going to loop and it's just going to close every single time you loop. I think
Oh,
that's. I have a feeling that's going to happen, but let's see. Let's see.
okay, and it did the same. Okay, let me put it here to see. Well, oh, now the final exam grade is okay. Final exam. It didn't say that. It didn't say that for the final exam grade at first. It said this for the homework grade, I believe.
Yeah. Um.
Did I get rid of this or?
No. 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 No.
That's weird though. That's
Yeah.
why
No.
is no no.
Um. Let me see. Okay. You know, it is very weird. You were right about that, Kareem. Have you checked iCollege to see if anyone's been having the same issue?
Yes. Well, in recent days, I don't believe so. I think I checked it. No, I think I checked it a few days ago. I checked
Right.
it a few days ago, earlier this week.
There have been some people have been asking and answering questions. I'm not sure if it's regarding this programming project. I'm not sure if it's the exact same thing you're dealing with. Let's see what they've said about that though.
Right. Yeah, it's usually not the same thing I'm dealing with.
Good morning's work done.
Okay, now this person's a little bit further along. Go to where you get your grade average. Okay, I think I found our issue. At line 148,
Mhm.
change we need to put our parameters in there. So like remember when we had double homework average, all that good stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to put those back there. So scroll up to where we declared those bad guys, those guys. Okay. I want you to backspace the slash slash in front of 25, 26, 28, and 30.
Okay.
Now, copy and paste double homework average, double test average, double midterm exam, and double final exam. Yeah, just take it all in, put them in that method, and then just we'll delete what we need to delete. And put it into that line like 142 or whatever it was. Yeah, inside of there. Inside the parentheses. Inside the parentheses.
Oh, okay. Inside the perimeter.
Because we need the parameters, yeah. Now, what I need you to do right now, where's double homework average?
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
yeah, don't forget that too. We need all of that.
Now, I just thought about something. This homework everything. This was something that the code had. It was code that was already there. So would it allow me to copy and paste if I was to do? Never mind. Never mind. Never mind.
I didn't
Never
understand.
mind. No, no, never mind. I was confusing myself.
Okay, no, I need that in the front.
Right
In
here.
double test average. In front of double, yeah. So paste it there. Now just backspace. So what I want you to do right now is I want you to backspace eat all of the call methods. So get homework average, get test average, get midterm average, and get final exam grade. Or get midterm exam grade. Yeah. Just
Oh,
backspace.
oh, get rid of the get.
Yeah, just get rid of the get. And then put commas in between each of the parameters.
Oh, I know exactly what you want me to do. Okay. All right.
There you go. You're doing excellent. I think that was our problem the entire time when we were calculating. Yeah, let me just delete those. And now at line 157 and 158, just delete those. Just completely delete 157 and 158. You don't need those guys. And then at 159, change get homework average into homework average, get test average to test average, and so on and so forth. And then we'll fix whatever it says at 148.
Okay.
Okay, hover over 148 if you don't mind.
Oh, it requires
Oh,
a
take out the
bot.
semicolon at the end. Take out the semicolon at the end. Okay. Try run it. Hopefully it'll solve some things. Proceed. Okay, wait, what's the...
Oh, let's see.
Yeah, okay, scroll up. Let's see what the errors are. Where are the errors? Okay.
Maybe because I have those doubles.
Yeah, no. That's what it's saying, yeah. It's probably because of the doubles. Let's see. Okay, yeah, so what you're going to do is hover over it again and click add arguments to match get average double double double. There you go. Now you're going to call the first one homework AVG uh test midterm and final.
Can I run it now?
Yeah, try run it. Okay, there we go. Let's see. You just said you needed to enter 90 homework grades. I hope you know that.
Oh, snap.
Here, run it again. There seems to be an error, but we'll figure it out. Let's. Oh, and that's where the in.close comes. Oh my God, we shot ourselves in the foot. Okay, scroll up. Okay, so at homework average, take out the in.close. Just take it out. We don't need it right now. And in fact, that's not in the scope of, well, not necessarily not in the scope, but you don't need it. Just take out the in.closes from the test too. We'll have to put that in later, but unless it's causing us issues, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay, no, run it again. Run it again. You have to run it again. Now just put 2. Just put random grades in.
Okay, so now it has trouble with the final exam grade.
Okay, look at the final grade. Let's look at that. Uh, let's look at that method. Look at the method final exam grade. Yes. Take out the in.close and get midterm exam grade. I think that's our issue. Was in.close in the midterm exam? Do you remember if it was in that
No.
method? It
Nah.
wasn't? Okay. Then that's probably our issue. Because what happened, Kareem, is that it closed the scanner before we got to the final exam, and that's likely why we
Uh,
couldn't add more grades. So let's try that again. Hey, there we go.
oh my goodness. Yes.
We did it. Good job,
Oh
Kareem.
man,
This
thank
was
you,
all you,
man.
man. Of
Oh man, thank you, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank
course. Anytime.
you. Okay,
Okay,
so let
well,
me.
who did it? That's good, man. Oh God.
Oh
This is
man,
this was quite the headache, but I'm glad we finally figured it out.
yeah. Do
Okay.
I say this?
Just it should already be just
Just
save it or save as. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, just save it for now. Just don't X out of it. And I would suggest probably even tonight, just wherever we made changes, just compare it side by side with what you have in CodeCheck, and then
oh yeah.
just copy and paste into CodeCheck. And if you have any issues, we can resolve them tomorrow. Likely, if you have any issues, it's probably gonna be stylistic, and we can fix those. We can fix those tomorrow. Does that sound good?
Okay, cool. Yes.
Excellent. Did it help today, Kareem? Or did I
Oh
help?
yeah.
Okay, excellent.
Yes, absolutely. Oh yeah, let me
Okay.
stop sharing. Okay, there we go.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much, Kareem. I think you did sign up for tomorrow, correct? I believe so.
Uh, no, I didn't sign up to tomorrow.
Oh, you didn't? Okay. Well, if you do need any help, you're welcome to sign up for tomorrow. But if you don't, then unless you want to like extra practice or we can like go over review different concepts, we can
Hmm.
do them too. If you want to sign up, if you do decide to sign up, um, excellent. Just let me know what you want to cover specifically, or like if you want to just like cover material or specific material, just ask and I will
Okay.
accommodate. Okay? Of
Okay, cool, man. Thank you once again, man. Great
course.
help. Great help. Great help. All right, take care, man. See you later.
See you. Did it.